Hello everybody, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty for post-market analysis, and we'll see which levels market has been reacted today. And also we'll be looking at tomorrow's important level for the market, which level near Nifty and Bank Nifty may take a support or take a resistance. We'll see that important key levels for the market. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. So let's continue right now. See what I will do. I'll open a Nifty chart. Okay. ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಡೈಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಬಂದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆವಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಡೋಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಡೋಜಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ನ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ 23,793 ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಔಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಸುಮಾರು 2-3 ಹಾರ್ಡಲ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡಲ್ ಇರೋದು 24,878 ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ then Nifty, confirmed ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಮೇ ಗೋ ರಾಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, so let's go to the 1 hour chart and see. Still we are heavy sell off there couple of days right now. Tomorrow it may probably try to come and test this level once again. We'll see that tomorrow what happens. But if the sharp rally comes, it has to come above this level. If this breaks in a hourly chart 23,158 above that, if it breaks in a morning, it can have a sharp rally upside. Otherwise immediate sell off may come, and again it may come back to test this support once again. We have to wait for that. Why I am telling that? Because if I go to Nifty Bank, I've been analyzing both together, and I clearly mentioned in my earlier videos also, if this breaks we can have a uptrend. I told you, right? But it does not happen like that. And I told that this gap can be get filled. It happened, and in this support will take, it's exactly the support it took. And one more pending is there, that is this gap. Do you see that? That is the reason still the trend is not confirmed yet for Nifty Bank Nifty and Nifty also. And tomorrow probability is that if this breaks, we can see some sharp upper rally. We may see some sharp upper rally upside. Otherwise, if it breaks below that level, below this level, it can come immediately and cover this gap on one morning. Immediately selling can come, and after that it can recover like this also. One day is it possible? We will see that tomorrow in a coming days for sure. One thing is that there is a gap is there, that visible gap is there. It's almost came near. We don't know, it may cover in a coming days probably. Okay, and if I go into daily chart, daily chart also you can see rejection is powerful today. And but one more this pending is there, right? If this morning, if it gap down or something and come and hit this low and take off, then it close like this, it will be another doji candle, will be better for market in the coming days. The trend will confirm above this level. First hurdle is there here, the second stop is here. Okay, third stop is clearly is visible here, anybody can see that. Okay, once it crosses this level 53,897 above, then we can say market may Nifty Bank may move higher, uptrend, we can say that like that. Okay, until then it's not confirmed, that we have to wait for it. Okay, so final conclusion is that today market is completely react. It is took a support and rejected from the bottom, and it closed positively, Nifty Bank, and also Nifty tried to close flat, I think. But whatever the selling came, it observed all the selling and went back upside. So we will see, still this gap is there. We will wait and see. Still the trend is not confirmed, that we have to wait and watch. Okay, so remember this, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with the next video. Until then, please take care and stay tuned. Thank you.